be consistent in your measurements. This way you know that your measurements are accurate. We've created this process so it's standard.
Be consistent. Measure your body in exactly the same places starting on day 1. Begin with your arms and work your way down.
When measuring your bicep, make sure you measure right at the peak. With Larry, it's obvious. If you don't have a defined peak on your bicep, make sure that you measure the distance between your shoulder and your elbow and take the center point right in between. Now remember, you're going to want to make sure that you do both arms.
Next, measure your chest.
The proper chest measurement is taken right across the nipples. Your arms are down so that you can get the lats in the measurement.
Then your waist.
You want to make sure that you're going directly across the belly button. This also includes the love handles, which we so much want to include because we'll be eliminating those after the workout.
Now your hips.
When taking your hip measurements, it's important to make sure that you're including the widest part of your butt. You want to make sure that your legs are completely together and your feet are touching.
And your thighs.
Your thigh measurement should be taken halfway between your inseam and your knee. Make sure that your weight is evenly distributed and that your feet are shoulder width apart. And make sure that you do your right and your left leg.
Don't forget the calves.
For the calves, you want to make sure that your weight is evenly distributed and you measure at the peak of the calf.